package right now. Here we go. This is the muffler I was looking for. It's from Jones Exhaust. And the reason why I'm getting this piece right here is because I realized that for the horsepower I'm going to be getting from the Vulcan once I supercharge it, one section of my exhaust system will be a restriction. In this case, the section where the headpipes come together as one exhaust piece, and it's going to split into dual exhaust tips out the back. Well, the piece here that's going to be the cat and the muffler itself that's together, it's a 2.5 inch exhaust. I'm going to need a 3-inch exhaust going through here. So that's what I'm doing right now, replacing the muffler with a 3 in, 3 out. This one is from Jones Exhaust. It is what you call it, a 1-chamber, so it's going to be loud. And I'm going to delete the catalytic converter that comes right before it. I'm going to keep the 2 pre-cats that are right next to the manifolds, but the third cat is going to be deleted, and I'm just going to run a straight pipe, and this is going to replace the Insynerator turbo tube muffler I have on there. So it's going to be pretty loud. I'm going to have to spray a little coating on it, but it's a raw aluminized finish. I don't care about what it looks like. It's going to be under the car. No one will see it, but it's going to be loud. And that's it. I'm going to try to install this system next week. And I'll make an exhaust clip to see what it sounds like. But it's definitely going to be loud. This should be fun. Until then, I see you.